Hello everyone. The title of our project is Third Eye for Blind with Vibrating Ultrasonic Glow. Introduction. The Third Eye for Blind with Vibrating Ultrasonic Glow is designed to help the blind to overcome the lack of visual sense by using other senses like sound and touch. In this device, the distance of the obstacle is determined by using an ultrasonic module and a microcontroller. The obstacle distance is measured and informed to the visually impaired person in the form of a buzzer and vibrations. Existing system. Over the last few years, research were conducted for new devices and technologies. This was done to design a good and reliable and efficient system for visually impaired people to detect the obstacles and alert them any danger. There are some systems which have some limitations. NavBelt, an obstacle avoidance wearable portable computer which is only for indoor navigation, was developed. NavBelt was equipped with two modes. In the first one, the system information was translated to audio in different sounds, one sound for free travel direction and other for block. It was difficult for the person to differentiate the sounds. Problem statement. People with visual disabilities are often dependent on external assistance which can be provided by humans and other electronic devices as support systems for decision making. The main problem with the blind people is how to navigate their way and wherever they want to go. Such people need assistance from others. As described by World Health Organization, 10% of the visually impaired have no functional eyesight at all and they move around without assistance and safely. Innovative solution. The objective of this project is to design a product which is very much useful to the people who are visually impaired. This project is an innovative one which helps the visually impaired people to move around and go from one place to another with speed and confidence. By knowing the nearby obstacles using the help of the wearable band which produces ultrasonic waves which notifies them with buzz, sound or vibration. It allows the user, those who are visually impaired, to walk freely by detecting the obstacles. Methodology. The system uses Atmega 328 microcontroller which is a high performance 8-bit based microcontroller. It has 32 KB of ISP flash memory with read while write capabilities as well as 1 KB EEPROM 2 KB SRAM. For sensing the distance, the system uses a HC-SRO4 ultrasonic rangefinder distance sensor module. The sensor module is designed to measure the distance using the principle of sonar or radar of using ultrasonic wave to determine the distance of an object. The system also consists of buzzer to generate an alarm sound and a motor to generate vibration signals. Block diagram. The block diagram consists of a 9-volt battery, a regulator, buzzer, vibration motor, the main system which consists of the microcontroller, LED, the ultrasonic module which has both transmitter and receiver, and the obstacle. Advantages: low design time, low production time. This system is applicable for both the indoor and outdoor environment. It is dynamic system, less space and less power consumption. Market opportunity. There are no such gadgets accessible in the market that can be worn like a material and having such a minimal effort and straightforwardness. With the utilization of these gadgets in a huge scale, with changes in the model, it will definitely profit in the network of the visually impaired individuals. The target of this task, the third eye for the blind, is to plan an item which is particularly helpful to those individuals who are outwardly deliberated and the individuals who are frequently need to depend on others. Applications. The World Health Organization reported that there are 285 million visually impaired people worldwide. Among these individuals, there are 39 million who are totally blind. The product developed is light in weight, compact, and do not cause fatigue to the user. So this helps the blind people to be self-dependent till the particular extent by giving info of surrounding objects, person, and help in keeping the track of the current location. Thank you.